How to recover and repair corrupted Excel file. Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we will be guiding you step by step in order to do so. So let's just get started. First of all, you may just head over and locate up the corrupted file that you're trying to open it up. So let's say this is the corrupted file that is something you are trying to open it up. So whenever you're trying to open it up, you will be getting an error message if it is corrupted. So what you can do in order to fix it is you can head over and open Excel and head over and open up a blank document first. After that, what you can do is head over to the file option at the top, and then here, look for this option of open and look out for this browse option and look out for this corrupted file that you're trying to open for. Let me just head over and look out for this open. So what you need to do is look out whenever you're trying to open it up, look out for this drop down option right beside the open. And here we have this option to open and repair. Click on it and Excel can perform checks. So you can look out for repair option, confirm it, and that should help you repair or recover your Excel file that is corrupted. So this is how you do it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.